Okay, welcome to another episode of Show and Tell. Today I'm going to be showing you the M12 Milwaukee Green 360 laser. So this laser isn't the type of laser that's in James Bond's movies. No, it is the type of laser you use on site or construction sites. So on this job, I'm actually using it to square the room off. So on the first bit, I'm starting the tiles on the floor. I want to make sure that the wall and the floor tiles line up perfectly and it's square to the room. So I'm using it for that. And then when I'm actually starting the wall tiles, I'm using it to ping a perfect laser level across the walls to get me started on that. So yeah, it's quite helpful. So initially what I do before to try and square it off is just use measurements. On this I don't really need to. It makes it a lot easier. You just set it up and then you're away. It comes with a handy tripod and that as well, which makes things a lot easier. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm using it for. All my stories are going to show you like the adjustment on it. I may even make a video on how the adjustments work on it. So normally I'm having to like thumb it across, as silly as that sounds, like to try and get it level. On this you just twist a little knob and it sort of adjusts it nicely. In the description below there'll be more information about the product, so have a little look and let me know what you think.